In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 FE Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to click on Security and Privacy. Then tap on Screen Lock. Enter your current login method and tap on Face Recognition to hit Continue. Then choose Register, keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions from your screen. Wait for 100% mark. Then manage all of those options however you want to, and when you finish, go back. So when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that face unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!